Are you tired of missing important emails because Gmail notifications are either too noisy or turned off? Learn how to get notified only for specific senders in under 2 minutes. I'll show you how to create a filter that automatically labels and notifies you for emails from specific people. Here's the exact process. Start by heading to the Gmail homepage. Then, click the Show Search Options icon at the right end of the search bar. Now, enter the email address, sender name, subject, or other criteria for the emails you want to receive notifications for. Once that's done, click on Create Filter. In the filter options, click on Apply the Label. Then click on Choose Label. Select an existing label, or click New Label to create one. Finally, click on Create Filter to save it. You can create multiple filters and labels for different senders or categories of emails. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.